The Japanese carpenter ant, Camponotus japonicus, is a large ant species native to East Asia, especially Japan, China, Korea, and parts of Russia. Workers are typically black or dark brown and can grow quite large compared to other ants, often around 8 to 15 millimeters in length. They have a robust body with a distinctive smooth and shiny thorax. Like other carpenter ants, they do not eat wood, but excavate it to create nests, especially in dead or decaying wood. They prefer moist, soft wood, but can also infest wooden structures in houses, which sometimes leads to structural damage. These ants are primarily nocturnal and forage at night. They are omnivorous, feeding on sweet substances like honeydew from aphid, plant nectar, and small insects. Carpenter ants are important in ecosystems because they help decompose dead wood and recycle nutrients. In Japan, carpenter ants can be pests in wooden homes or buildings. Control involves removing infested wood, sealing entry points, and sometimes using targeted insecticides.